Here is a complete, engaging review of the Pastlla 4Pcs heavy-duty extension spring, optimized for text-to-speech and YouTube narration. Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into a product that might not be glamorous, but is absolutely essential for anyone who works with machinery, repairs, or DIY projects. I'm talking about the Pastlla 4Pcs heavy-duty extension spring set. If you've ever had a door that wouldn't close, a garage mechanism that felt sluggish, or a piece of equipment that just needed that extra bit of tension, you know exactly why we're here. Let's give these little workhorses a proper look. First, let's break down the specs. This package gives you 4 springs, and the dimensions are very specific. You get a wire diameter of 0.1 inches or 2.5 millimeters. That's thick enough to provide serious resistance. The outer diameter is 0.79 inches or 20 millimeters, and the total length is 5.9 inches or 150 millimeters. These are not small trinkets, they are substantial. What really stands out here is the material. Pastlla uses genuine spring steel. This isn't cheap metal that will rust or lose its shape after a few pulls. It has high hardness and strong tension retention. The hook construction is also a major talking point. Each spring has a dual hook design on both ends. This is critical because it allows for a secure, locked connection to your equipment. You won't have springs slipping off during operation, which can be dangerous or just frustrating. Now let's talk about real-world performance. I tested these on a few different applications. First, I used them to counterbalance a heavy workshop door. The installation was straightforward, just hook, stretch, and release. The tension was immediate and consistent. They held perfectly without sagging or deforming. I also used one on a lathe return mechanism. The elastic stretching is smooth, and when you release the tension, the spring snaps back to its original length without any permanent set. That's the sign of quality spring steel. Of course, no product is perfect. Let's be balanced. The main drawback here is the lack of variety. You get 4 springs that are all the same size. If your project requires a different length or a thinner wire diameter, you will need to buy another set. Also, the hooks are pre-formed. While this is great for strength, it doesn't allow you to modify the loop angle easily. For some precision applications, that could be a limitation. Compared to similar products on the market, like the generic hardware store springs, these Pastlla springs are in a higher tier. Many budget springs are made from softer steel that stretches out over time. The Pastlla springs hold their tension much longer. They also have a cleaner, more uniform finish. You won't find sharp burrs or uneven coils here. To get the most out of these, I have a few tips. Always wear safety glasses when installing or removing extension springs. They can snap with surprising force. Also, measure your existing spring length carefully. You want the new spring to be slightly longer than the space you are filling when it is not under load. Finally, a little dab of lithium grease on the hooks can prevent corrosion and squeaking. In summary, the Pastlla 4Pcs heavy-duty extension spring set is a solid, reliable buy. They are perfect for mechanics, DIY enthusiasts, anyone repairing machinery, or even for artists building kinetic sculptures. If you need a dependable, heavy-duty spring that won't let you down, this is it. They are simple, effective, and built to last. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more honest tool reviews. Take care